Good boy Wooly. I just made my ram and my dairy sheep these livestock protection collars. They're very pokey. All they are is election sign, and the same thing as this material. And the lines are going this way so that it is able to bend around their neck. And then I bent up the spikes and basically just ran a lighter underneath them for one and a half seconds, just long enough to form it upwards in that fashion. So they're more three-dimensional. The spikes would be sticking out more instead of laying flat in a two-dimensional fashion. And yeah, I really think that this is going to help not only protect his neck, but also have an offensive element to it for added protection. I'm super psyched. All it is election signs that are everywhere, free, and these are super quick to make, because all you got to do is measure the length of their neck around, and then you make the strip that long, and then you make it another inch on either side of the thickness that you want. Figure out the thickness that you want, and then add 2 more inches to the width and cut that whole strip out, and then you can go back and cut the diagonals, the spikes out, and then you can pull them back and use your lighter to help them pull them in that position. And I really think this could be a cheap and easy thing that anyone can make to protect their livestock from predators. And yeah, I'm excited. Yay, because these dairy sheep are expensive. Yes, not only are you like family, but a lot of people spend a lot of money on their animals, and so it's a very affordable and easy solution to safeguard their family and their livestock, their living stock, valuables. Yeah, you guys are pretty valuable. You guys are awesome.